Hello, today we will guide you through Fix CapCut audio problem. If you're having trouble hearing sound in CapCut, this quick walkthrough will help you check the most common settings and apply a simple fix inside the app. We'll start by reviewing the audio controls on a project, and then we'll clear the app cache if the issue continues. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Once the app is open, go ahead and select a sample video or any project you want to test with. Using a sample video is helpful here because it gives you a quick way to confirm whether the audio issue is happening in just one project or across the app more generally. After the video opens, look toward the top right area of the screen and click on Audio. This is where you can review the sound settings connected to the clip or project. If the audio seems missing, too quiet, or inconsistent, this is the first place you should check. Next, adjust the volume. Increase it gradually and make sure it isn't set too low or muted. Sometimes the problem is simply that the audio level was reduced by accident, especially if multiple edits were made earlier. After adjusting the volume, play the video for a moment and listen carefully to see whether the sound has returned. If the audio is still not working, move to the next part of the fix. Click on the menu at the top left of the screen. This will open additional options for the app. From there, click on Settings. In Settings, look for the option to delete cache and select it. Clearing the cache can help remove temporary files that may be interfering with playback or causing the app to behave unexpectedly. Once you've clicked Delete Cache, give the app a moment to complete the action. Then click Save to apply the change. At this point, return to your video and test the audio again. In many cases, clearing the cache and saving the change resolves sound-related issues without needing any further troubleshooting. If it's still not working after that, restart CapCut. Fully close the app and then open it again before checking your video one more time. Restarting helps refresh the app and can clear up any temporary glitches that remain after changing settings. That's it. By checking the project audio, adjusting the volume, clearing the cache, and restarting the app if needed, you can resolve many common CapCut audio problems quickly and easily.